Okay, so we are about to go on to building the fuselage, but I have a small apology to make. You might have seen another video as well. I've dropped a little bit of a boo-boo. This sheet here should have been this sheet here. So all I'm going to do is, I must apologise, but all I'm going to do is I'm just going to pencil that in like so, and then I will cut that out. It's just a locating slot for the fin. So anyway, my apologies, and let's crack on. So inverting the wing, the next bit we're going to need is we're going to be needed to look at making the fuselage. So these are the bits and pieces that you're going to need: fuselage sides, a couple of formers, some sheeting, and that mount there. Now, little tip about cutting this mount out. My advice is the central piece has to come out. I would cut the central piece out with possibly something a little bit bigger than this. I managed to do it with this, but I would cut round the outside of the former first, cut the little lugs off, cut the internal lugs, because what you're actually doing is you're providing support with the frame to actually cut it out, and then you can then just twist and remove that. That's just scrap, and then the actual then comes out like so, and that's what we actually need. So this is the next process. Now, important step. Oh, something out for the slot. Let's hope I get this run the right way. This slot is a spar strengthener and drops in there like so. Now, my advice is just to make sure that before you glue that in place, just drop your fuselage sides in to make sure everything is a nice fit, like so. Another little tip is, before you've actually fitted this, just make sure that you've got no glue that's binding in these sort of areas, that it sits down nice and squarely. So this is the orientation as per the pictures. That drops down inside to there and it's going to get glued. Then the idea is we're then going to, I'm just going to trial fit these to make sure they're fitting okay, like so, like so. Now I'm happy with those. So the next bit is you need this chap here, and it will only fit in one way, and again just make sure that nothing's standing proud. So I'm going to trial fit all of this before I actually do any gluing. So the idea is that this is going to drop down in here like so, and it's worth spending some time just making sure, look at that, that everything is nicely fitted, it's not binding anywhere. Now, because I'm now happy with this fitting, I'm going to remove all of this. I'm going to glue this in place, and then I'm going to proceed on to finishing this. Okay, so I have dropped the fuselage sides in. This are glued and allowed to dry. Make sure it's absolutely dry, because what you don't want to do is slide these in and then they get stuck. So they've been dropped in with the former and with the end former. You can see there's only one way that will fit in. Little tip, to try and protect your lovely bolster this side, I'm just resting mine on a little bit of tissue paper, just in case I start sort of pushing down and I end up denting it. So it's all dry jointed at the moment, so there's nothing glued. What I am going to do is, I'm quite happy to glue this with super glue or speed cyano, and I am just going to drop just a little bit here, but just a smidge on either side, and I'm doing it high up. What I don't want is, I don't want it leaking through into the little gaps in the fuselage side and then getting permanently stuck. So the idea is, now I'm just going to tack glue these, and then the next process is we're going to add the sheeting. Now, The other thing with the sheeting is, what I don't want to do is I don't want to be adding sheeting or adding glue along here, because I worry that it's going to stick. So what I am going to do is make sure that's fitting flush, and I'm just going to glue from about here forwards. When I've finished, got the second sheet on, what I'm going to do is then glue all of that sheet as well. That will be enough structure to hold it all together. Then when I've finished it all, I'll be able to remove it and add the glue on the inside. But that's the way we're going. Okay, so I've come up with a slight technical issue. I hunted high and low in the kit and went back to the build pictures and what was supplied in my kit, and I'm missing the sheet here. So I got on to Angel Wing Designs, and Andy got straight back to me and said, yep, I think you might have found a slight technical problem. So I luckily have the same thickness of sheeting, which I'm going to add and carry on. But Andy has said to me that anybody who has a kit and finds this missing, they will replace ASAP. So just if you want to message them via email or Facebook or via the website, they are very, very responsive and very keen to always put right any errors they might have picked up, which is superb. So I'm going to carry on with this, but as Andy has said, that if you're missing a bit, get in touch and they will supply it ASAP for you. Okay, so I've finished the sheeting, remembering I haven't stuck it at the back, so I'm going to just gently remove this now. There you go. Now I'm just going to stick this down on the trailing edge here, and then I'm going to give it a light sand